Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Damle and today I am going to show you a polling system API using Express Node.js framework and MongoDB. So let's get started. So first I will show you the project structure. So I have created one SRC folder. Under that we have three folders: config, error handler and feature. So inside config folder, I have created a function to connect to the MongoDB with Mongoose library. Then there is a error handler, which is the application error, which handles the application error. And in the features, we have two options and questions. So inside options and question, there is each file for option controller, repository. Repository is for uh, connect functions related to database. Then this is the option schema. Then also root file is there. Similarly, the same thing is for question. So let's get started to the demo part now. So I'm going to start the server now. So this is the command prompt. I am entering the command node server.js. Now we are connected to the port 3000 and connected to the MongoDB. So go to the Postman and let's test our application. So first feature is to create a question. So let's create one question and see if it's working. So here you can see the question has been created. Let's verify it in the backend as well. So if you see, there is a question created over here with like currently options is empty and some options for this. So we have another API for it, which is create option. So just mention the question ID over here. So create first option that intended car. Maybe create another one. Coding. Let's create another one. Keep pointing. So we have created three options here. Let's verify. Okay, so three options have been created. Now let's try to view our question. So for that we need that's the question ID. So go to the API. Okay, so we are getting three options. Now let's try to add vote for Sachin Tendulkar. So go to the add vote API. So vote added successfully. Now we can verify that on the backend as well. See, the count has been increased by one. Okay, so this is how the add vote functionality works. Let's vote one more time. One more time. So there are three votes now. Let's test with the API as well. So here are three votes for the Sachin Tendulkar. Now let's try to delete one of the option over here. Let's try to delete Sachin Tendulkar only. We have to mention here the question ID as well. I'm just going to copy it from here. So as there are three votes for it, we cannot delete these options. So let's try if it's deleting or not. See, so I'm getting response cannot delete option as it has votes. So let's try another option. Uh, as Virat Kohli don't have any votes, it should get deleted. Let's try to delete that one. Option deleted successfully. Let's verify from the backend. Option has been deleted. So you have two options only now with this question. Now let's try to delete a question. So condition is that you cannot delete a question if it has options and that option has a single vote. So in this case, we should not be able to delete this question. The question can't be deleted. Let's verify from the backend. Let's create another question and try to delete that. Okay, so another question has been created. Let's verify that. And let's try to delete this question now. Okay, so this question has been deleted as it doesn't had any option. So we were able to see delete it. Let's verify from the backend. So the question has been deleted from it. So this is a simple polling system API where you can add votes, add questions, and options, etc. Thank you.